Hello everyone! Today, we're going to show you how to quickly draw a basketball with ZWCAD, mainly using commands like sphere, shell, intersection, subtract, and more. Firstly, open ZWCAD. In the viewport of the view panel, select 2, vertical, to create 2 viewports. Select the viewport on the right, change the visual style to realistic, and set the view to southwest isometric. Switch to the viewport on the left, activate the circle command. Specify the center position of the circle as 0, 0, 0, enter a radius of 100, and draw a circle. Next, draw a straight line from the upper to the center of the circle. Enter AR to start the array command. Click the straight line, select polar, set the center point as the origin, input 8 in the items field in the ribbon menu, and press enter. Use the explode command to explode the array object. Use the fillet command to round the corners. Enter R, set the radius to 50, and select 2 oblique lines for filleting. Erase the extra lines, use the join command to join the objects into one. Call the offset command. Set the offset distance to 2.5, and offset the required objects. Use the mirror command to mirror the 2 arcs on the right side. Start the trim command, use the X mode, and trim the extra lines around the circle. Then use the quick mode of the trim function to trim remaining extra lines. Use the delete duplicate command to delete any duplicate lines. Finally, use the join command to join the objects into a polyline, completing the plane figure of the basketball pattern. The next step is to convert the plane figure into a 3D object. Switch to the right viewport, use the extrude command, select the polyline, enter a height of 200, and extrude the object into 3D. Use the move command to move the 3D object 100 units along the Z-axis. Start the sphere command, set the center to the origin, and the radius to 100 to draw a sphere. Use the shell command to hollow out the sphere with a thickness of 2, pressing the spacebar twice to finish. Then, use the intersect command to find the intersection of the two entities, and change its color to black. Use the sphere command again. Set the center to the origin, and the radius to 100 to draw another sphere, and change its color to red. Use the subtract command to subtract the red sphere from the black intersected entity to form the basketball. Use Shift plus middle button to easily rotate and observe the basketball. And there you have it, a beautiful basketball is finished. Go ahead and give it a try.